Hey guys, Scott from Ron Francis Wiring. We get a lot of requests to chronicle a wiring install, and it just so happens that we have a really good candidate now. This is a 71 F250 that we picked up. It's very basic, 390, 4-speed. It is a Camper Special, so it has the Western mirrors and ready for a heavy-duty suspension and all. But electrically, very basic. Besides your typical equipment on a truck like this, with the radio, all your lights and gauges and whatnot, the only additional power accessory it has is an aftermarket AC system. We do think it's a dealer-installed item that's been on it for quite some time, but we think it's going to work out really good to go through all the different steps necessary for a good wiring installation. So I grew up with my dad owning trucks like this, so this is a very nostalgic truck. I have a lot of memories riding in between my mother and father, going on vacations and running errands and whatnot. So I'm really looking forward to digging into this truck. So we hope that you follow along here in the next few segments and months as we work through getting this wiring kit installed.